Hey, welcome to Sonny's the Car Wash Factory. My name is Anthony Analetto, and today I'm here with Taylor Hutton, our new product line manager for vacuum cleaners. We're going to talk about our new Cyclone 3 and tell you about how you can adapt it to some of our new vacuum booms with 3-inch pipes and get the same experience we're getting with all of our vacuum systems that are used in the Cyclone 2. Taylor, tell them how it works for them.
Thanks, Anthony. You hit the nail on the head on this one. This is specifically designed for our 3-inch booms, but it still keeps all of the main features that we had on the Cyclone 2, which you know and love. It still uses the 3-clip design to take that bottom bucket off, which makes it nice and easy. We still have the bag catcher in this thing, so we're not going to clog up the filter. It still has that fine filter in there, which has a quick turn technology to remove and clean out when you need to. But it still adapts everything to the 3-inch boom that this is going to mount on. So you can retrofit existing sites that already have 3-inch booms, or you can do it on new orders. With the Cyclone 3, we do have a 3-inch inlet on the side and a 3-inch outlet to go to your manifold, so you're not necking down at any point, which might cause a clog. It should have nice, smooth flowing air all the way through. But as you can see, it still has the same fitting that you would have had on your original separator. That would be on the back of some of those older 3-inch booms that we have out there. On top, you'll also see that we do have a gate valve, and what that gate valve does, when you shut it off, it's going to shut down your whole boom, so you can clean out the bottom of that bucket. Makes it nice and easy. You don't have to worry about turning the whole lane off or anything like that. So your employees can go out, shut off a boom when it's not in use, clean out that bucket, and put it back on and keep cleaning for that day. With the Cyclone 3, the nice thing about that is you're going to be doing all of your large items in that, and you're going to do that probably on a daily basis for cleaning and maintenance, but it's going to save your main separator for maybe a weekly or a monthly type cleaning, and it's going to be all that fine dust that's going to go through that Cyclone. It's going to prevent clogs anywhere in your manifold, and potentially if you've got an underground manifold, it's going to save you from those really costly and time-consuming fixes if they do clog up.
All good information. You're exactly right. You hit all of the key benefits right in the head. And by the way, it's ready to order now. So if you want to do an upgrade, you can actually call your sales rep or go online and you can order these direct, and you can actually modify your sites now and get the same experience we're all getting with our Cyclones and all the other sites. As always, thank you for watching, and good luck and good vacuuming.